Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm just here today with a quick demo to show you how I like to refresh and remoisturize my daughter's twists when she has them in that state for protective styling. Now she had a week off from school here in the UK and I decided to leave her hair in the twist from the week before. So I'm going to be using two products from Cantu just to help me get her hair looking fresh again. And yeah, let's jump into the video. So as you can see, I start off by taking out any hair accessories that she had in from before. This good old bubble has not filled me. I just try not to wrap it around tightly. But yeah, I take out any hair accessories she had in her hair before. And then I just section it and work from the back to the front of her hair. So once I have my first twist ready, I just unravel it and I work from the ends of the hair right back up to the root. And I just take my time to open it up because usually her hair tends to tangle and there will be strands wrapped around the actual twist. So not to, break them, I just take my time. And once that twist is open, I just go in with my fingers and separate it and finger detangle it before I use any products on her hair. So after that, I'm just going to grab that coil detangler from Cantu, give it a good shake, and then spray her hair with it. Now I'm going to be using a fairly generous amount because her hair is a bit dry and I really want to get it remoisturized before I twist it back. Because once I twist this back, I probably would not open it for a good 4 days. So I continue to rub the product into her hair shaft, making sure that I get all the strands and the ends coated. And then I'm just going to grab a comb and begin to just detangle this section of hair before I apply anything else or before I retwist it. So the reason I like to detangle it again is just because her hair tangles so easily, and keeping it detangled is the best thing ever for me. It just makes it so much easier to manage and it definitely reduces breakage and stuff. So I'm going to apply a little bit more of the detangler. It's very hydrating and refreshing for her hair. And then I'm going to grab the other product from Cantu and use this to massage her scalp and also to rub it into the hair shaft. It gives a great shine. Oh my gosh, I just love how it leaves her hair. Yeah, so I just massage the scalp, then rub it along the hair shaft, and then I'm going to twist back this section. So guys, as you can see, when I twist her hair like this, I usually do not start it directly from the root or up to the scalp. I leave a little leeway and then I begin to twist the hair. I don't want to create any tension to her scalp by pulling it. So yeah, and as I said, this is a simple protective style for her for the few days. So it's nothing very glamorous or anything. It's just really to give her hair a break as well from all the braiding and the plaiting and that sort of stuff. So as you can see, I am moved on to the next twist and I'm doing the same steps. So I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I do believe it's very self-explanatory. It's just the same steps I'm going to be taking over and over till I get all of her hair finished. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this one, and don't forget to comment down below and let me know if you have any questions, and I will speak to you guys very soon. Enjoy.